Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying hardware and service. Check that your phone supports 5G standalone or non-standalone, and that your carrier plan and SIM include 5G. Once done, enable developer options on Android or access hidden carrier menus on iOS if required. This gives you direct network controls. Make sure airplane mode and Wi-Fi are off when testing, because those can mask cellular behavior. You're now ready to open the native settings or a carrier diagnostic menu to force radio selections. Now you'll change the radio access technology to 5G only. In Settings, go to Mobile Networks, Preferred Network Type, and pick 5G only or NR only. On some phones, use a diagnostic dialer code or developer options to set RAT to NR. If the option is hidden, use the carrier's provisioning app or ADB commands on Android to write the preferred network mode. On iOS, a carrier profile or Apple configurator may be required. After applying, reboot the device so the modem negotiates a pure 5G connection. Finish by verifying you have an NR connection. Look for 5G/5G plus icons, check the active band in diagnostics, and run a speed or latency test. If the phone falls back to LTE, toggle the SIM or airplane mode, reboot, and reapply the 5G only setting. Sometimes a modem firmware update or carrier-side provisioning is required. If issues persist, test the SIM in another compatible device or move to a known 5G coverage area. And contact your carrier to confirm network provisioning and local compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.